Alright, welcome to Daddy Jack's Cook with the Blues here. So, again, I don't have the name. Maybe by the end of the video I'll have it on my phone, but request for Saltimbocca veal. We got some nice Provimi veal, pounded thin. The leg, off the leg, a little salt and pepper, flour, pounded out nice and thin. Regular Saltimbocca usually is not breaded. My deal is going to be breaded, Daddy Jack style. So I don't want to hear everybody say, that's not the way it's supposed to be, because we realize, but we're going to do it nice breaded. Make sure our ovens are on, okay? Light crumbs, fine crumbs. Always go away from you. So B.
Yes, sir.
You give me some spinach. Then let my Saltimbocca off of underneath a little bit of garlic spinach. We got our Bear Blanc on the side here, but that's going to be for another recipe. Thing with Bear Blanc, I do have a recipe for Bear Blanc. Always bring it up so that once you add the butter, don't be afraid to bring it up to a simmer. And you got to make sure the butter's all melted in there and incorporated into it. And don't let it boil over. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so kick the gas up a little bit. You don't want to, a lot of dishes do a hot saute. This one here kind of just nice gentle. We want to keep it nice and tender. That's a nice provolone. Got some nice shaved prosciutto, but Wesley they call it prosciutto. Gabagool and prosciutto.
Yeah.
Soupy, supersada. What else? That's slang. Okay, so turn the fire down nice and low. Because we want to bring it just up to temp. A little bit of dried sage. Okay. That's enough right there. Okay, going up yonder. So the guy that requested it wants just a little bit of a. You got any nice mushrooms over there? No.
Yeah, we're all out. I mean, I can give you one.
Huh?
They're not really nice.
Let me look. But now we'll just do Restaurant Depot tomorrow. Not bad. Not bad. Do a little more salad. And me, I like a little bit of little sauteed garlic underneath. That's what I like. Right? Woo! That's it right there. A little bit of our veal stock. Check that on a previous video. Hey, Carl. With salt and pepper. This is what I'm going to do here. Just put it in the sauce a little bit. Let that flavor soak up. A little bit of butter to tighten it up. I kept that veal stock nice and thin for this reason alone. You know, when you add it at the end with a wine and reduce it down, you want it too thick. You want to just be able to reduce down and concentrate those pan flavors. All right, just to barely wilt. Let me just slide these over here, Glenn.
You got it. That's right.
Thank you. Okay, that's going to be underneath. And Glenn's a veal guy, I know.
Yeah, exactly.
Huh? Right? Woo!
Oh, man.
And then we don't want to adulterate that what we got on the plate. Put a little bit there. So keep all the flavors like I don't know, Glenn, that might be your dinner tonight.
That's mine.
Huh?
Yeah, I think I'm claiming that one. We're claiming that one.
See, I like it with the green.
Yep.
The green sticking out. You know what? I'm not even putting green onions on it.
No.
Huh?
No need to.
Yeah, a little marsala mushroom sauce. So thank you to the YouTube friend who asked us to prepare that. Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues here. Beautiful downtown New London, Connecticut. Amtrak, ferry boats from the islands. Gold Star Bridge, bringing them over from Massachusetts and parts north. Nicely located right on the Thames River. Local caught seafood, fishing charters. Coast Guard Academy, Connecticut College, where my daughter Lucy's at. Mitchell College, we got EB, Pfizer, we got it going on here. Yale New Haven Hospitals, took over the hospitals here. It's a really great place. Mystic across the bridge. Where else? Watch Hill.
Watch Hill.
Newport's close, within an hour or so. And please share us if you like us. We're all grassroots, no major media. Check out my Soundwaves article every month, swaves.com. We got 2 channels, Chaplin's restaurant page. We just got it back. Over 350 videos. Here, Glenn just said we got almost over 125 videos up here already. We just been hitting it hard this year. So, hey, Daddy Jack's go with the blues. Peace.